Daily dose is 60 seconds at CS speed. Here's Pete's Evo on the operating table. As you can see, there's still nothing left. Got to do some repair on the cross member over here. His floor is a complete shithole, to say the least, so it's all getting cut out. We're cutting the frame rails out. We're gonna put our own in out of chromoly, because this wasn't supposed to be a tube chassis car. So it's only kind of going to be a tube chassis car. We got to repaint the interior because it also looks like shit. Got a lot of work going on. We're going to remove these brake lines, replumb everything. We're doing a fuel cell in the back that's going to hang down slightly just to clear the drive line. But right now we're really focused on the floor and the frame. So there it is, 60 seconds of CS speed.